my name is Anna Kovalchenko. I'm an interior designer based in Marbella, Spain, and today this video is about how to communicate your ideas to clients. Being able to communicate your ideas to client is one of the most important qualities of an interior designer, and that's one of the reasons why actually some people do hire interior designer, because they have hard time to visualize how selected materials and furniture will look like together. And this is especially important at the earlier stages of a design process, because we don't do the photorealistic renderings yet. In today's video, I would like to show how I present my own ideas when I make first meeting with the client after we just signed the contract, and I'm presenting my concept and the development of the design direction. So I usually make this A3 format boards, which is essentially a collage of my sketches, some inspirational images, and also a selection of different textures, furniture and materials. Starting from the inspirational images, I am showing here the client the general direction of the design, the combination of colors and textures, a certain theme. For example, in this concept here, we used the car theme for the design of this barbershop. So I showed here some images with the interiors of the luxury cars, some materials and furniture that are associated with this, as well as I do some hand-drawn sketches where I show to the client how selected materials and furniture will look like together in the actual space. Photoshop is an amazing tool for this stage as well, because it helps to put together this selection of furniture and materials without doing photorealistic renderings here, so it's very quick and efficient. I wanted to show you some more examples of such boards that I do. So I have recently done this bathroom design for a client in a coastal style. So here again I show the selection of materials and colors. I do the collages in Photoshop, and I also do hand-drawn sketches. Apart from that, I also take to the meetings some catalogs where I show to the client how the selected materials look on high-resolution photos and other beautiful interiors. I also take with me some actual samples of the materials, so the client can touch it and see the color. So I try to interact with all senses, whether it's visual, whether it's hearing, whether it's touching, so the client can have a better understanding what I am trying to make in this space. And I usually prepare more than one concept for a space. For example, for that client, I prepared another two boards for that bathroom design in different style, and I usually have one which is my favorite. So this helps me actually to push the client in a certain direction, which is my favorite. So I'm excited to hear how you present your ideas to the client. Please share in the comment below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to put this sign underneath, and please subscribe to my channel and read my blog, which is in the description of this video.